Little bash session going on here. Got the WFO Y kit on this thing. Got the WFO knuckles on here. Castle system. TP1720S 1720kv motor. WFO metal gear cover. Motor mount. Dboot V2 wheels. PR racing. Diff gears in here. M2C basher bar. NSDRC Rs1 servo at 8.4 volts. See how it works. Damn. Looks like I broke the hub off. We did alright though. Jeez. Broke the hub clean off. Half, or whatever you call that. The stub. So I probably should upgrade those. Loving this servo. It's a little dark out now, but it's running pretty good.